What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing how to find tools for cheap. Most of you probably already know this, but I just wanted to show that you can find tools for pretty cheap, and buying new tools isn't always an option for everyone. So this is a Milwaukee M18 battery starter kit, and this is $179 alone. And then if you want to get the impact, it's $249. So you're looking at a pretty hefty price for, I mean, it's good quality, it's brand new, but that's pretty expensive. So I just want to show some stuff off Craigslist. This is a Lincoln Ranger welder generator for $1,800. And you can always talk these people down and negotiate with them. Probably get this for $1,700, maybe $1,600. If you're good at negotiating, you got cash on hand. So that's a pretty good deal for, it looks like a pretty good condition generator. So yeah, that's pretty cheap. This is a Toolbox. I suggest having one of these that you can lock. $475. Again, you can probably talk them down. And it has 2 keys and working locks. So that would be a good option. Next, I would suggest getting a self-leveling axis laser. That's pretty darn cheap, $50 when you're probably looking new, probably $150. Some vices, I would suggest having some vices you can mount on the back, $10 to $20 each. Yeah, they look old, but they probably still work. It looks like he's got a pipe vise and some regular vices. Next is a pipe vise, specifically $20. Then you got some hand tools. I'm just showing in general what you can kind of get for the price. A lot of these hand tools are still in good shape. So you got like a wire brush, stick rule, some sockets, pliers, screwdriver, $5. And then Craftsman wrench sets. Now these are good quality wrenches, and $5 to $50 each for a bundle. Brand new, I don't know how much they cost, but I'm sure this is a better deal. Next, pry bars, $5 to $15 each. You're probably going to need a pry bar at some point if you're going to be in the metal fabricating welding business. Next is extension cords. Now these can run you pretty high if you buy brand new. And 100 footers are probably, I don't know, I've seen them at Menards for like $50, $60 depending on the thickness of the gauge of wire. But that's also pretty expensive, and this is a better option. Next are some rigid pipe wrenches. These are very expensive, especially the aluminum ones. If you buy them from like Home Depot or wherever, if you get Milwaukee tool ones, they can run $60, $70. So $15 ain't a bad deal if you're going to get into some piping work. Next is a rigid pipe threader. Again, if you're getting into more pipe fitting piping work. Brand new, I'm not sure what this costs. I saw one for about $2,000, so this one's $14.95 cash. That's not bad. It goes all the way up to 2-inch, which is pretty good. You can pretty much do every kind of pipe with that. Next is a shop compressor. You're probably going to need an air compressor on your welding rig. $250, not bad. Next is some cutting tools for pipe, some hand threading, $175 for all of that. Not bad. Next is a Dewalt quartered sawzall. You can find some good quality power tools. Yeah, they may be used. They probably won't work as good as a brand new one and not last as long, but $20 you really can't go wrong as long as it works. So that's it for today's video. I just wanted to show that you can get tools for relatively cheap compared to buying brand new. If you can't afford brand new, then yeah, definitely buy used until you can afford brand new. Thanks for watching.